Hello, and welcome to another video in the Videx MiAccess series. In this short video, I'm going to show you how to use the Replace Card function. To replace a user's card, go to Users, then highlight the user you are going to replace, then take your new card. This time we're going to use a green fob. Place it on the USB reader, click on Replace Card. The message comes up. This will blacklist the current active user's card. Continue, click on Yes. The card has been created. It is really important that the new one is presented to the readers. Until we do that, the old card will still work. To show you, the old user 1 card still works. Now we present the new one. It works and sends the information to blacklist the old card. So now we try the old one and it doesn't work. To recap, it's really important that the new fobs or cards must be presented to the readers as soon as possible. Thank you for watching. Please click on like and subscribe, and don't forget to check out the other videos in the MiAccess series.